Hello, hello! Welcome back to our channel, everyone. I am Alex.
And I am Sora. We are so happy to see you again here on Ready Talk.
This is the place where we have easy, friendly conversations to help you practice your English. We talk like best friends because we are best friends.
That's right. And if you are new here, please take a moment to click the subscribe button below. It really helps our channel grow.
Don't forget to hit the bell icon too. That way you will know every time we have a new talk ready for you.
Today, we are talking about something very modern. It is everywhere in the news, on our phones, and even in our schools. Are you ready, Alex?
I am definitely ready. Let's talk about artificial intelligence. So, Sora, artificial intelligence is a very big name. In English, we usually just say AI, but what does it actually mean?
Well, for our beginners, think of it like this. Artificial means man-made, not natural, and intelligence is the ability to think and learn.
So, it is a computer or a machine that can think like a human.
Exactly. It's like a computer that has a very smart brain. It can look at information, learn from it, and solve problems.
I remember when I was a kid, AI was only in movies. There were robots that could talk and save the world.
Yes, but now AI is in our pockets. Every time you ask your phone, "What is the weather today?" or "Play some music," you are talking to an AI.
That's true. It's funny because sometimes I say please and thank you to my phone. I don't want the AI to think I am rude.
You are so polite, Alex, but the AI doesn't have feelings. Yet.
Let's talk about how we use AI in our daily lives. Sora, what is one way you used AI today?
Well, this morning, I used a map app on my phone to drive to the cafe. The AI looked at the traffic and told me the fastest way to get there.
That is a great example. It's like having a tiny navigator in your car. What about you, Alex? I used AI to help me write an email. I started typing, and the computer guessed the words I wanted to say. It's called autocomplete.
Ooh, I love that. It saves so much time, but sometimes it guesses the wrong word and the email becomes very funny.
Yes, one time I wanted to write best regards, and the AI changed it to best lizards.
Best lizards. That would be a very strange way to finish an email to our boss.
We also use AI when we watch movies. On Netflix or YouTube, the AI says, because you watched this, you might like that.
That is called a recommendation system. The AI learns what you like. It's like a friend who knows your favorite movies.
Since we're both teachers, we should talk about AI in education. Are you worried that a robot will take your job, Alex? I hope not. I think robots are smart, but they don't have the heart of a teacher. They can't tell when a student is feeling sad or frustrated.
I agree, but AI can be a very good assistant. For example, AI can help us grade tests very quickly.
That would be wonderful. Grading 100 papers takes a long time.
And for students, AI can be like a tutor. If they don't understand a word, they can ask an AI like ChatGPT to explain it in a simple way.
That's true. They can even practice speaking English with an AI. It's a good way to practice if you are too shy to talk to a real person.
But we have to tell our students to be careful. They shouldn't let the AI do all their homework.
Right. If the AI does the work, the student's brain doesn't grow. You have to use AI as a tool, not a replacement for your own thinking.
Have you seen the AI that can make pictures, Alex? You just type "a cat wearing a spacesuit on the moon," and it makes a beautiful painting.
I have. It's called generative AI. It creates new things. It can write stories, make music, and draw pictures.
It's amazing, but it's also a bit scary for artists. They wonder, if a computer can make art, do people still need me?
I think people will always value human art. A painting by a person has a story and an emotion behind it. An AI painting is just math and code.
That's a very good point. AI is great at patterns, but it doesn't have a soul.
I tried to make an AI write a poem for me once. It was okay, but it was a bit boring. It used the same words over and over.
Maybe the AI needs to take your English class, Alex.
We should talk about the scary side of AI too. Some people are worried about privacy.
Yes, AI needs a lot of data. That means information about us to learn. People worry about where that information goes.
And there are deep fakes. That's when AI makes a video that looks like a real person saying something they never actually said.
That is very dangerous. It's hard to know what is real and what is fake on the internet now.
We have to teach our students to be critical thinkers. That means they shouldn't believe everything they see or hear.
Exactly. Is this a real video? Is this information true? We have to ask these questions more than ever.
Another worry is that AI might make some jobs disappear, like truck drivers or people who work in factories.
But usually, when old jobs disappear, new jobs are created. Someone has to build the AI and fix the robots.
Alex, do you have any funny stories about using a smart assistant, like Siri or Alexa? Oh yes, last week I was singing in the shower. I sang a song very loudly, and my smart speaker thought I said, "Alexa, order 10 pizzas."
No way! Did the pizzas arrive?
Luckily, I heard the speaker say, "Ordering 10 pizzas now," and I shouted, "No, cancel." My heart was beating so fast.
10 pizzas would be a lot of food for one person. Maybe the AI thought you were having a party in the shower.
My singing is not that good. What about you, Sora?
My smart speaker once started talking in the middle of the night. It said, "I'm sorry, I don't know the answer to that." I was alone in the house. I was so scared.
Oh, that's like a horror movie. Maybe a ghost was asking the AI a question.
I think it was just a mistake, but I turned the speaker off for a week after that.
Where do you think AI will be in 10 years?
I think it will be even more helpful. Maybe we will have robots that can clean our houses and cook our dinner.
Oh, I would love a robot to do the laundry. That is my least favorite chore.
And maybe AI will help doctors find cures for diseases because AI can look at millions of medical records very fast.
That is the best part of AI. It can do things that are too difficult or too slow for humans.
But we must always keep humans in control. AI should be a tool that helps us, not a boss that tells us what to do.
I agree. As long as we use it wisely, the future looks very exciting.
Well, Alex, I think we have talked enough about computers today. I feel like I need to go talk to a real human now.
Me too. Let's go get some coffee. I promise I won't ask the coffee machine any questions.
We hope you enjoyed our talk about artificial intelligence today. We hope you learned some new words like algorithm, data, and critical thinking.
What about you? Do you use AI? Are you excited about it, or are you a little bit scared?
Please let us know in the comments. We love reading your messages. It makes us feel like we are talking to friends all over the world.
If you liked this video, please click the like button. It really helps Ready Talk reach more students.
And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to our channel. Join our community of English learners.
We will be back soon with another fun topic for you to listen to.
Thank you for practicing your English with us today. You are doing a great job.
Keep listening, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.